Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I posted a video. This is what my face was looking like. Hey, you know what? Sometimes things are tough. I just finished recording my outro, so this is my intro. Please don't judge this face. I mean, you certainly can. I'm posting it on the internet, so I'm not that pressed. If this is your first time here, hello. My name is Tierra. You can go ahead and call your girl T. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. All right, today we are doing a just cleaning video. I'm only doing one space. My house is pretty clean, but my upstairs studio space has been neglected. I have been working really hard. We have 31 days of Halloween coming up. Can y'all see my glasses on? Girl, let me put these off for a minute. Let me take them off. Look at the skin. I mean, one thing the water gonna do is get the skin is eaten. Anytime after I dermaplane, I'm just like, the skin is eaten, 10 out of 10, eating the girls up, stepping on necks, no one's breathing, passed out. Really needed to get my space together. I kind of needed to film for motivation purposes. Like if it wasn't on camera, I was not going to do it. I'm really excited for you guys. I have so much good content coming out. This is my first time ever doing 31 days straight of content for Halloween. Spooky season is on the horizon. If you want to see me just clean, relax, listen to some fun music, some stuff I've been listening to currently, go ahead and continue to watch.
Fortnite, I'ma need your skin. Don't give a fuck with the penis spin. Boy, you're the one, you're the only man. Me and you are my only fan. Holy cow, you're the holy trend. Hold me down, wanna hold me dick. Be my security, it's your therapy, but you ain't holding shit back. When I need my space, you give back. When you broke my heart, you fixed that. With a long walk on the beach. Never when they Hong Kong from the street. They see us zoom right in the Jeep. We a whole damn joint, we a energy. Baby, we could just cut it. Whether they like it or not, I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it. I wanna tie it now. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. I wanna tie it now. I wanna show you.
Yes, that's me, but that one on no crime stop. I don't know what the hell nigga thinking about, cause I wasn't in no case or nothing. So nigga even like just saying like, oh, you snitched on who? I was never in no case. You know what I'm saying? But you know, niggas, it be that go back to the internet shit. I don't really be feeding into it, cause motherfucker don't know. I really from the street where I'm from, like, if you snitch, bro, this shit is in paperwork. This shit is a document.
Young gun on one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pull some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no sherm. I'm in it big with P-Litty. QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties is up to the ceiling. I let her run through $1 million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on $1 billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them hoe with precision. Give us my only decision. Young gun on one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
like 900 years. I almost was like, you know what? It should have never got to this point. Second of all, this is more like God said don't put more on you than you can bear. This might be just too much, okay? But the space is clean. I am ready for 31 days of Halloween. I hope that you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. This is just like what I try to do when I know I'm going to be filming a ton. It's buying a bunch of stuff. It's just getting prepared and ready, getting the space clean. There's so many times I'm filming, and I just leave everything where it is. I go wash my face and I leave. And that adds up, okay? I mean, a messy space is good filming wise. As a creator, you know that if your space is messy, that means at least you're doing the work. But everyone also knows that like too much clutter can like bog down the brain. So now I have a clean slate to fuck up. We're doing 31 days of Halloween. Please tune in. I will be starting October 1st. That's Sunday coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to judge me, you can, but girl, don't act like your roommate never been dirty. Your space been dirty before for sure. I've seen it. I don't know who you are, but I've seen it. Before you get the chitty chatting, anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video. Hopefully soon.